What up, what up, what up, what up? Welcome back to the table where everybody eat. Y'all know what to do. Hit that like button for your boy. And if it's your first time to the channel, hit the subscribe button and notification bell. That way you miss out on the plays and updates we bring to you guys each and every day in the market. Now, a couple of days ago, I gave you guys that drop on a couple of rare earth stocks as this China and US trade war tension keeps heating up. And now we got to double back real quick on a couple of those, starting with USAR, which is, as you see, USA Rare Earth Incorporated, closing at $24.77, up 9% on the day. This thing actually had a slow start to the day on Friday, January 23rd, and it eventually picked up its pace, picked up its speed. Once it broke above that 2340 area, if I'm not mistaken, then boom, this thing was off to the races. Now, if you missed that last video, I suggest you guys go and check it out. At the end of this video, it'll be posted in the top left corner or right, I don't know, one of them corners. You guys will see the trade tension war. However, we're going to go ahead and dive straight to the charts. All right, here we are on the daily. And on the daily chart, I told you guys off rip, first off, you know how we do as of late. We're going to remove those drawings. And I told you guys how I loved how this 21 was just riding right on top of the 200 SMA on the daily. And I told you I seen this curl coming as we consolidated sideways for what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days before we got this move. So 9 days of consolidation right around this same area here that we failed on the last time. That there is something that I didn't note, but I did note that double bottom. That's neither here nor there. So now I told you guys we were looking to see if we broke above. I could bring the lows back up. If we broke above, I think it was like 2150, somewhere around that range. I said we could probably go to 24 and maybe test that psychological area of 25. The high of this day of this candle right here was 25.27, which, as you see, it filled up this gap right here completely. And now we'll bring the drawings back up. So with us being inside the sniper fair value gap, especially also I told you guys we had to break above this trend, zoom in a bit, which was that 2050. My bad, we did have 2153, but it was 2050, which was lining up with that trend. I say once we break above this uptrend line right here and get above it, ideally that 2050, that will be golden, and we'll probably be heading towards that 2153, yada yada, cycle level 25, all that good stuff. So now on the daily time frame, this golden zone right here is still golden for me. However, we may look at 19 possibly as a new area of support, meaning that this area here is now no longer the line in the sand that should now possibly be a support to the downside. And what we're going to do is we're going to update this live in action in effect. All right, let's make that golden though. And now we can remove these lines. My outline shouldn't be purple. Don't know what that's about, but that works. I'll dig it. I could dig it. All right, cool. So now, as you can see, we got our golden pocket, which is now our kind of golden zone. Going in between, I mean, I probably could bring it lower, but just off the scale of things, 1651 or 1635 to 1785. No, that was 1651 to 1785, basically, right about there. That's only if we lose that 19 on the daily time frame. The next target we have is up here at 2825, but that's only if we continue higher, we squeeze or whatnot. Moving to a lower time frame though, this definitely looks good right here. We got the 21-200 cross, golden cross going up right there. Y'all know how we do my day ones. Once again, price action. I mean, not price action, moving average, doing what it do. And now we're heading into that trend line on the 4 hour. We break above this trend line, momentum is going to follow. I guarantee momentum will follow. I'm not saying we're going to break up directly like that, but momentum will follow. The 200 is curling up as well, so things looking good. 1 hour time frame, and now it's time for us to reset so we can see what we're looking at. All right, cool. So what we're looking at here is if we do come and retest this trend, I may extend this. I may make it a little off now, but it's whatever. If we do come back, retest this trend, or that 2150, that'll be a nice retest. However, also if we consolidate in here, that will be cool too. This 200 is curling up pretty swift on the 1 hour time frame. We rolled the 21 and consolidated with it inside of this golden pocket. Got above it, came up, lost it briefly, reclaimed, boom, lost it briefly, we up. So even if we lose it briefly and reclaim that 21 on a 1 hour time frame, now again, you don't got to follow these time frames, but this is just to show us the overall trend is still up. And ideally, once again, this 1650, 17 range is definitely like a golden area opportunity for potential longs on a pullback. And then the 30-minute time frame is looking, I mean, still looking pretty good. That's that golden pocket. Slide back, golden pocket. We above the 200 here. Boom, came down, held the 200. Boom, 200 now is around 19. So even down to the lower time frame on a 30-minute time frame, you may find support right here around this 1980. Let's just say 1950 to 20, you may find a support somewhere around in that range. But if you guys like this video and want more content like this, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe button. Share this video out to your people. Also, hit the Discord link if you want to catch these alerts in real time before I'm able to get these videos out to you guys. And follow your boy over on X or Twitter. The link for all of that is down below. Much love. We out.